Matagumpay na naisakatuparan ang ikalawang bilateral maritime cooperative activity sa pagitan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at ng Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Tinawag naman na fake news ng AFP ang sinasabing ginawang air at maritime patrol ng China kasabay ng kanilang pagsasanay. Mark Gabriel sa balita.
Lumapag sa flight deck ng JS Takanami ng Japan ang AW-159 anti-submarine helicopter ng Philippine Navy na tinawag nilang cross-deck exercise. Bahagi yan ng ikalawang bilateral maritime cooperative activity sa pagitan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at ng Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force na isinagawa sa West Philippine Sea noong weekend. Ang pagsasanay ay bahagi ng pagpapalakas ng koordinasyon ng dalawang bansa sa harap ng umuusbong na banta sa rehiyon.
On their claim that we are inviting foreign powers, I mentioned last week that statement does not hold any water. On the other hand, they are the illegal presence in our maritime zones, and I would again like to mention that they should leave. The PLA Navy and the Chinese Coast Guard should leave our maritime zones.
Sa gitna ng pagsasanay, sinabi ng PLA Southern Theater Command ng China na nagsagawa din sila ng air at maritime patrol sa bahagi ng karagatan. Pero ayon sa Philippine Navy, hindi ito totoo. Bahagi daw ito ng misinformation operation ng China.
They are doing this in order to address, number one, the internal audience. In order to gain popular support, raise a sense of nationalism, to perpetuate the Chinese Communist Party in power. Secondly, is to shape the international narrative that will be favorable to their illegal claims in our maritime zones.
Ang namonitor daw nila ay ang illegal na presensya ng PLA Navy at ng Chinese Coast Guard ship sa Baho de Masinloc, Pag-asa, Sabina at sa Ayungin Shoal. May PLA Navy ship din daw na bumuntot sa kanila.
This ship launched and recovered a drone which we only surmise was monitoring the conduct of the activity.
Sa harap nito, muling binigyan din ng AFP na ang mga aktibidad sa West Philippine Sea ay hindi paghahamon ng gulo, kundi bahagi ng pag-iit sa karapatan ng Pilipinas.
We're playing like a game of chess. No? We're using our voice to fight and we're using the law. And arbitral ruling UNCLOS has already ruled in our favor, and thus this right, as our might, has shown its power.
We are among the most freedom-loving and hospitable people in the world. I could only speak for the Filipino people, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Philippine Navy. We do not look at any country as a threat unless this country would commence illegal, coercive, aggressive, and deceptive actions against us, unless any country would start intruding into our maritime zones.
Nagpapatuloy daw ang modernisasyon ng AFP, gayon din ang pagsasanay kasama ang mga kaalyadong bansa upang masiguro ang malakas na depensa ng mga teritoryo at matiyak ang kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan. Mark Gabriel para sa Mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.